Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to solve question number 1 part B, exercise 2.1. Y equals to x square plus 1 by 3x, comma, from x equals to minus 3 to x equals to 3. Solution: let y equals to f of x, then f of x equals to x square plus 1 by 3x. Adding increment, f of x plus del x equals to x plus del x whole square plus 1 by 3 x plus del x. Now expand this. X square del x square plus 2 times x del x and plus 1 by 3x and plus 1 by 3 del x. So we get x square plus del x square plus 2x del x 1 by 3x plus 1 by 3 del x. Now we know that the average rate of change del y by del x equals to f of x plus del x minus f of x divided by del x. Put the value of f of x plus del x, which is this: x square plus del x square plus 2x del x plus 1 by 3x plus 1 by 3 del x minus f of x value is x square plus 1 by 3x, x square plus 1 by 3x divided by del x. Now look, x square plus del x square plus 2x del x plus 1 by 3x plus 1 by 3 del x minus x square minus 1 by 3x divided by del x. X square cancel with x square and 1 by 3x cancel with this. Here we get del x square plus 2x del x plus 1 by 3 del x divided by del x. Take del x common from the numerator. We get del x plus 2x plus 1 by 3 divided by del x. Del x cancel with del x. We get del x plus 2x plus 1 by 3. Now del x, so look here, del x equals to 3 minus 3, this minus this, we get 3 plus 3, which equals to 6. So put here del x value 6, 2, and the x value is minus 3 plus 1 by 3. So we get 6 minus 6 plus 1 by 3, these two cancel, 1 by 3 is the answer. Part C, S is the function of t. Solution: we can write it as S of t equals to 2t cube minus 5t plus 7. Here we can find del t, which is 3 minus 1, 2. Now add the increment here. S of t plus del t equals to 2t plus del t cube minus 5t plus del t plus 7. Now expand this 2. We can write it as t cube plus 3 t square del t plus 3t del t square plus del t cube, and here minus 5t minus 5 del t and plus 7. Further we can write it as 2 t cube, 3 2s are 6 t square del t, 3 2s are 6 t del t square plus 2 del t cube, here minus 5t minus 5 del t and plus 7. Now we are going to find the average rate of change, that is del S by del t, which is S of t plus del t minus S of t divided by del t. Put the value here. S of t plus del t value is this one. So write 2t cube plus 6 t square del t plus 6t del t square plus 2 del t cube minus 5 t minus 5 del t plus 7 minus S of t value is 2 t cube minus 5t plus 7 whole divided by del t. Further we can write it as 2 t cube plus 6 t square del t plus 6t del t square plus 2 del t cube minus 5t minus 5 del t plus 7. It becomes minus 2 t cube minus into minus plus 5t and minus 7 whole divided by del t. This 2t cube cancel with this 2t cube and minus 5t cancel with plus 5t and plus 7 cancel with minus 7. We get here 6 t square del t plus 6 t del t square plus 2 del t cube minus 5 del t divided by del t. Take del t common from the numerator. We get 6t square plus 6t del t plus 2 del t square minus 5 divided by del t. Del t cancel with this. We get 6t square plus 6t del t plus 2 del t square minus 5. Now put del t value, we have find it 2 and the t value put here 1. Look here, t value is 1 and del t value is 2. So we can write it as 6 into 1 square plus 6 1 into 2 plus 2 2 square minus 5. So we get 1 square 1 6 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and minus 5. Now we get 21 here. 12 8 20, 26 minus 5, 21 is the answer. Part D, h of t equals to square root of 2t minus 7 from t equals to 8 to t equals to 8.5. So del t is equal to 8.5 minus 8, we get 0.5, and add the increment here, replace t with t plus del t, and here now the average rate of change will be del h by del t. So h of t plus del t minus h of t by del t. Put the values of h of t plus del t and minus h of t. Now this minus multiply here, we get minus square root of 2t, minus into minus plus 7. Now look, this 7 and minus 7 cancel with each other. We get here 2 plus 2 into t plus del t under the root minus 2t under the root. Put the value of t here 8 and the del t value we have find it over here 0.5. So put this value. Now 8 plus 0.5, we get 8.5 into 2, 17 under root whose value is 4.123, and square root of 16 is 4. So 0.123 divided by 0.5, we get 0.246, the answer. Now question number 3, part first, is h of t equals to minus 16t square plus 80t. You can solve it. Here in the question is find the average velocity. So the average velocity here represent what? Average velocity mean del h by del t. So it is similar to this one question. Find del h by del t. And here from t equals to 2 to 2.1, so we will find del t and then put the value of, we will get the answer. So try question number 3, part A by yourself.